Hey everybody, this is Sarah, the Catholic Homemaker. Today I want to show you how to make fermented pickles. I have my little helper here. She's not going to be part of the video, but she is going to be helping right next to me. And first of all, I wanted to welcome all of you, especially all those who are new to my channel. If you would consider subscribing to my channel, that would help us to grow this community. And please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Hit the notification bell for all notifications so you know when I post, which is every Monday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Also hit the share button and comment below if you've made fermented pickles before or what your favorite way to make them is in the comments. And just all these things will help people to see my video more. First of all, I have my pickling cucumbers here and fresh dill. I'm just going to be rinsing it in the sink. That's what I do with all of our produce. I just got these a couple of days ago at the farmer's market. And, well, not the dill, unfortunately, but I actually wanted to grow these in our own garden. And we have a pretty big garden, but my cucumber plants died. And we do have a little dill plant, but it just wasn't enough. So I had to purchase it at the grocery store. Anyway, so now that they're washed, I have a 2-quart or half-gallon mason jar here, and we're going to start putting cucumbers in there. You want to help? Okay, go ahead and put it in the jar.
Why? In the jar, Mommy?
Just because. That's what we're going to do. We're going to try to put some of the flat ones in there, try to stand them up more.
Why?
Just so more can fit in here. There you go.
Oh, these are very small pickles.
That's all right. Oops.
Can you put them in?
Let me just try to make more space. Okay, go ahead. And so we're just going to try to fill it up as much as we possibly can. One thing that you might want to consider investing in is like some sort of a weight for your ferments. And that just helps so that prevent any mold, like if anything comes to the top and floats to the top. That can be a problem with pickles or cucumbers. Okay, I don't think we can do that one because it's too big. But I'm just going to try to stuff it down there. All right, that one we might have to do a different jar. But we can put smaller ones in, okay? Excuse you. Bless you. Okay.
That's not fitting, Mommy.
All right, yeah, we're going to try to do our best. I think just maybe one little pickle left. One little cucumber left, rather. Okay, here. All right, that is it. And so let me show you what else we have here. We have a brine. And so I just used filtered water from our Berkey here. And we did a brine solution. So we did 2 tablespoons of Himalayan salt and 4 cups or a quart of water. And that will just be poured over the pickles. And I also have some other ingredients here, like bay leaves, peppercorns, and mustard seeds. And we're also going to put fresh garlic in there. I love putting fresh garlic into my pickles. And then of course we're going to stuff the dill into there. All right, I'm back. So I ended up filling almost 1.5 gallons of cucumbers. So I added the fresh dill along with the fresh garlic in there. And I'm just going to be adding peppercorns, mustard seeds, and bay leaves in each one, a bay leaf for each one. All right, so I did it for every single one, and I also added the mustard seeds and the peppercorns. I did a teaspoon of peppercorns for each one and about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds for each one. And the reason I didn't do as much mustard seeds is because the pickles take on the flavor of what spices and everything you're putting in it, and I have done mustard seeds. It was actually my first batch of fermented pickles before, and it just tasted very mustardy, and I didn't like that. So Anyway, I'm going to be pouring the brine in now. I'm going to need to make more brine for each of these ones here. And you just cap it and leave it on the counter for 5 to 7 days, actually. And then you store it in the refrigerator. And that is it. I will show it to you once it is ready. This is what the pickles look like when they are finished. They've been fermenting for 5 days now. I'm actually gonna take a taste of one. Just open this jar and look what happened. It spilled all over the countertop, but it's just bubbling everywhere because of all the fermentation. So I'm just gonna take out this little one right here. Okay, here I am, gonna take a bite. It's crunchy and salty, just the way I like it. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. It's so easy to make pickles, and I hope you will try making some yourself. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful week, and may God bless you and your families.